Alright, I don't know how to start this one off, so forget the fancy little intro, but it's going to be a little quick commentary. I'm sorry if I do too many commentaries, too many product reviews, but my buddy, our buddy, Steve Robb, up in Canada, put up a video last night, so this is kind of a response to his video. I'm going to tag on to what he started. If you don't know who he is, I'll put a link in the description. Steve Robb Reviews. He's got a neat little channel, check him out. It was basically about people looking for the silver bullet repair when it comes to automotive. I'm sure it applies to other trades. I can only speak from the automotive. He had a situation with a friend. He tried to help him out. The guy was basically looking for a simple answer. My car doesn't charge. What's the answer? And he was curious, and he got a kick out of it, and he was trying to explain to the gentleman, his friend, it's not that simple. Here's what you should do. Why don't you check out some of my friend's YouTube channels, watch some videos, some self-help kind of stuff. Maybe that'll help you out. And again, I guess the guy was looking for a quick fix. So he was asking if anybody else sees this or experiences or has to deal with this silver bullet, people looking for the silver bullet, the quick answer, the quick fix. And I went, every day. You know, don't we all? That's why we watch videos. That's why you guys are staring at me right now. I shave for you though. But I watch videos too. I try to learn stuff. We all do. But here's the problem. Take everything with a grain of salt. You know, people have asked me, don't you think what you do, making the YouTube channel, making the videos, and your friends that make the videos, aren't you kind of chasing away your own customers, chasing your own job out the door? And I said, no, I'm not looking to, if you watch one of my break job videos, or whatever it is, you're not somebody that's never done it before, and all of a sudden decide, I'm going to pick up tools. You're probably somebody that's handy, and you probably kind of know how to do it, you just want to get a little better at it. Chances are you aren't coming to me for a break job anyway. You were going to do it on your own. I'm just trying to help you do it maybe better or correct. A lot of what I do, and again, my channel's still small. I'm just trying to grow it, but a lot of good guys out there. Keith from New Level is a dear friend of mine. I look up to him. Eric O, South Main Auto, Ivan. All of these guys, they're great. And what I think the common thread is, what we're trying to do is, it's a methodology, it's an approach, it's a way of thinking. When you do these repairs, this is how you approach something like this. This isn't, if you're watching these videos to get a quick fix, the silver bullet, you're gonna get yourself into trouble. Are people looking for it? Every day. I get phone calls. Hey, how much for a catalytic converter? Why do you need a catalytic converter? Who told you? And it's a combination of one and or many things. I Googled it. I went to one of these chain, so I'm not going to mention any names, but the chain auto parts stores that will scan your car. They have the tool. Don't you have that tool that tells you what's wrong? And that's another discussion. I'm really going to try not to get off on a rant here, I promise. I'm going to try to stay focused, but I'm very... I believe in what I do here. I'm very emotional about it. I'll try not to cry. So it's either I Googled it, I went to the store that has the tool that told me what's wrong with it, or I have a friend of mine who told me what's wrong with it. And one and or more of those things. So therefore I know I need this part. How much is it? And then we have to get into the discussion of why that's not the right way to do it, because if I put the part in and it doesn't work, you're going to be upset. And if you want to try it on your own, that's on you, and that's fine. And the parts stores will sell you parts all day. Well, the code says this, and our little machine says most of the time when it's that code, this is the part. So here's your part. Go ahead. And they put it in, it doesn't work, and they come back and say it didn't work. And what does the guy at the parts store do? I'm not a mechanic. You should go get a mechanic and let him check it out. No kidding. And now you may have made it worse. So I'm getting off on a tangent. Let's get the train back on the track here. Do people look for the silver bullet? Yes. Do I blame them? No. Nobody, listen, I'm in a bad news business. All of us are that are in this trade. This is a bad, nobody says, yay, my car broke. Let's go to the mechanic. I can't wait. No, it's a lot of four-letter words. It's a lot of aggravation. Nobody has time for this. Nobody wants to maintain their car. Nobody looks forward to it. Nobody says, oh, come outside, check out my new brake job. Nobody cares. It's bad money. It's a bad time. My check engine light's on. You gotta be kidding me again. So, yeah, we watch videos and we listen to our friends and we listen to the parts guy, not to rag on the parts guys, because I got friends that are parts guys and they're great people. But the ones that say you should just, here, buy all this stuff and throw it in, waste your day, waste your money, throw it, it's not going to work. Listen, I'm not going to go watch a YouTube video, Gordon Ramsay cooking channel, and watch him cook a beef Wellington and expect that I'm going to be able to do it and it's going to come out like that. It's not going to happen. I'm going to burn it. I'm going to screw it up. I may set the house on fire. But I know that. So you have to go into these things saying, and this is for, I'm speaking to everybody, the DIYers and, your regular customers who are just looking things up. A little common sense here. If you're going to go look at a video to try to help you with your problem, for starters, it better be the exact same vehicle with all the same equipment in it. And it's got to be the same exact problem. And even then, there's a good chance it's not the same thing. You may get lucky. I hope you do. I hope you're able to, you're going somewhere for the weekend and it's an emergency and you want to throw this part in and it works out for you. God bless you. You go on your way. I can't do that. Other guys in the trade can't guess because we're going to eat it. And we have to, what do we call it? The shotgun repair, loading up the parts cannon, the armchair quarterback. So, man, I'm off on a tangent here. I'm sorry. But I'm passionate about it. Ask questions. If it's something simple, you want to change a set of spark plugs out of maintenance, you want to watch a video on how to do it, that's cool. But if you're trying to troubleshoot, it's a lot involved. There's a lot of, I always make the joke. In fact, I used to have a poster that said, fixing your car requires time, knowledge, experience, and tooling. I charge for all four. And I don't mean to be mean, but it's anybody, a plumber, an electrician, I would say do what you do, right? If you're an electrician, do electric. I'm going to call you and let you do my electric. I'm not going to do it because I'm going to screw it up. And for the time it's going to take me, I'm better off doing what I do, making money what I do, and let you do what you do, and everything gets done, and it gets done the right way, and we all get to sleep at night that nothing's going to blow up, and the brakes are going to work, and the house ain't going to go on fire, or whatever project you're trying to do. So, to Steve, of Steve Rob Reviews, this is for you. The silver bullet. Everybody looks for it. I got one coming in tomorrow. Every day. I got a girl once on a BMW, and she said, how much to change a temperature reader on a BMW? I don't know. What's a temperature reader? Is that the guy that stands there and stares at the thermostat? I don't know. Obviously, she got some bad information. And now I have to talk her and say, well, this is what's going on. Well, and she says, do you have that machine that tells you what's wrong with it? And I understand she doesn't know, so I got to try to explain it to her. It's not how it works, and this is how it's going to work, and this is... So, in the end, see, I'm on a rant here, and I got to get out of here. I got to pick up my wife from work because her car's at the dealer. They've had it for 3 days. They're not done with it yet. That's a whole nother rant. So I got to play Uber. So, watch the videos. Understand. The fact that we got to put a disclaimer that it's for entertainment purposes only is ridiculous because somebody's going to do, I did what you said and it didn't work and my car blew up and you owe me a car. It's ridiculous. The guys that do these videos, I think I can speak for most of them. We do it to be helpful. It's not verbatim. It's not a. It doesn't take the place of training or tooling or anything else. We're just trying to help a little. That's all I'm trying to do. So, thank you. Watch some videos, learn a little something, ask the right questions. Don't be afraid to take advice. Don't be afraid. Don't argue when the answer you get isn't the answer you wanted. And we're just trying to help. Nobody's trying to be. Nobody's trying to be a jerk here. We're just trying to make videos, automotive videos that'll help you be smarter and help yourself, and that's it. So, thank you. God bless everybody. I hope you have a great day, and I promise I'm going to get you some good content out there. I know I've been doing a lot of reviews, a lot of commentaries, and not much actual hands-on stuff. I gotta tell you, in the last 6 weeks, I've done more brake jobs than I've done in the last year combined. I don't know what it is. All I'm doing is brake jobs, and I got enough of those. I'm not putting any more of those up, unless something neat comes up. Maybe, I don't know. So I promise I'll get something else up there for you. Maybe I'll check out this temperature reader tomorrow. Everybody have a great day. Thank you. Subscribe. Check out my videos. You know, all that other stuff. Click, ring the bell, and thanks. See you later.